Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we would like to share you data science projects for academic year of 2023. So let's see the latest one, how ChatGPT is also supporting for us. If you are watching first time this video lecture, subscribe and support us. See, with the help of ChatGPT, I'm just trying to getting this data science projects of new ideas. So suggest data science project ideas for academic. So let's simply what suggestions ChatGPT is supporting for us. Let's see. ChatGPT is also giving like a prediction student grade based various factors such as attendance, study hours, and scenario economic background. And the second one, analyzing impact social media consuming and behavior decision making, identifying the stock market trends, prediction of outcoming of a sports game based historic data player, analyzing effectiveness of various marketing campaigns, developing recommendation engine for e-commerce website for the user browsing purchase history, identifying pattern and consume like a customer complaints and improve customer services and satisfaction, analyzing crime data, identifying high risk area, predict of the potential crimes, developing chatbot and customer support using neural language processing, analyzing medical data, predict of likelihood parent developing of a particular disease condition. So data science like a ChatGPT is also suggesting vast range of projects and also ensure choose any one of the data science concept and learn like either Java or Python programming language to start begin with and do a real time and real world functional project in your area. If you feel comfortable and helping this video lecture, yes, please do subscribe and support us. And also harisystems offering vast level of online courses. Find below link description for if you are interested to learn from scratch. Thank you.